Here we are inside the cockpit. There's a full-grown laptop in here for the optical system. And to turn it on, you just plug in the operating system, which I have on this flash drive. It is Fedora version 32 workstation, a live USB. And just press the power button and let the laptop do its thing. And some of the additions I've done to the cockpit in the meantime, I've replaced this needle with a metal one, so it is less likely to bend and need replacement, and a little bit of lube, so it works a little easier, but still needs some persuasion when, moving about. Over here, there's an addition of extra switch, which I'll talk about in a sec. First, we've got the power switch. We've got the arm lock switch. The light switch, which, does the fans, overhead light, and the outside lights. And an extra helpful little one, which is the pedal lock switch, so you don't accidentally kick a pedal and start having the mech do stuff. And to show you a little fun something I did off camera, I'm gonna rotate the torso. Instead of connecting the linear actuator to the frame using these fancy brackets and things, which can bend quite easily, I just attached it directly to the frame with some bolts. So there's less stuff. Wobbling about, less things that can go wrong. And what's going on was the housing downstream kept bending out of position, so I got a 3/8" bolt on the downstream end, and on the upstream end, since there wasn't much bending going on, not a lot of torsion and all those fun forces, I just have a 1/4" machine screw to put that in. And apparently this front caster right here was dragging quite a bit on the wood, causing a lot of reluctance, so I just installed a metal plate and covered it with lube, so it now moves a lot easier. Now we have Fedora up and running. We just try it out without installing it to the hard drive, because if it did and there was a bad bump, the hard drive might break because, they aren't really built tough. Unlike this flash drive. See, this is all running off that little flash drive right there. So I could take the hard drive out of this computer and nothing would happen. So let's see here. We want to open up a program called Cheese. CHEESE. There it is. Oh, don't he look so happy? And there we go. There's a view outside Murdoch, and I'll just full screen that. There we go. And there we go. And we've got the head rotator thingy up here. So, you rotate it. You can look back and forth. There are some contrast issues, and even though the camera is supposed to be straight inside Mark's head, it's somehow turning out a little crooked here, but I don't know. That is all for today, I guess. If you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, and make sure you can see outside your mech today. Bye-bye.